patient with H1N1 is coming.
Oh no! We may gonna get the flu and may die. Oh, the portal is opening again. Last night, Martha Rogers came and was up with her slinky back and forth.
What is the trouble in here?
Oh, Florence Nightingale. Oh no.
Who are you? The doctor?
No, I'm a nurse.
A nurse? God, how could have this happen? What? What are you doing such a fuss?
H1N1 is coming.
Well, I know private, corporal, surgeon, but
What he meant, Florence, is that a patient with swine flu is coming. Swine flu is a influenza A virus that came from the pig, mutated from the virus from the pig.
pigs, right? It seems quite fancy.
Oh yeah, and who declared it a pandemic?
Who declare what?
The disease, it has spread all over the world.
Well, if you are nurses, you know what to do. You are the experts. You were trained by other nurses, I assume. So what do you expect? Your patient to tell you what to do? And what he needs?
Yes, what we know, we all gonna get the flu too and may die.
Oh dear. Focus on the environment.
Oh, you're right. The energy fields.
Actually, the virus is contagious, human to human, by droplet.
Actually, we need to use a droplet precaution.
Yes, and not only that, we also have to clean the surfaces.
Now it seems quite better. So what do you know about the patient?
Actually, I assessed him a while ago. He was a male, skinny, and most of all, he's malnourished. And I'm concerned about that.
Did you write all that down?
Oh yes, I did. It's
Well
all on my notes.
Well done. You have to document everything with all the numbers. So later we can analyze it. So now, what will we do with that patient?
We will give him an antiviral to keep him recovered.
What?
Yes, antiviral is the medicine that will get him better.
As far as I know, this patient has malnourishment. You'd better feed him. That's the way to modify his environment and let the laws of nature act on him and cure him.
Yes, studies show that malnourishment affects the immune system and it doesn't work well.
This patient, I think he has a mental disorder. He doesn't even know about the vaccine.
Yes, anyway, with vaccine, he could have been susceptible. Malnutrition affects the response of the immune system to vaccine.
Yeah, you're right about that.
I think that you've recognized many important things to have in mind today. So now I will leave. I have to write some notes on nursing.
Okay,
Thank
see you
you.
later, and thank you.